Hey, hi everyone. My name is Arvind Upadhyay and I am the author of the more than 100 books. Now, I just talking about the reverse physiology about how to getting rich. Now, I am the also author of a book called Think Like a Rich, and one of my book was How to Become Rich in Early 20s. And I am so much genuinely excited and so much passionate about teaching anyone to how to the secret and how the physiology of getting rich is and how anyone can get rich easily. And here I am going to share the 5 tips that will truly going to help you if you want to really want to get the rich. And I have made many videos on YouTube. You can just watch them because they are going to help you. You can buy my books. They will help you so much to find your true potential in your self-help, in your life, in your business, everywhere, because they are truly on behalf of the your mindset and your physiology. So get my books, Arvind Upadhyay Books. They are truly going to help you to becoming rich, wealthy, happy, and find your true potential to do anything in your life. So here is first one is that master your mindset. Why I am saying that you have to master your mindset? Because if you master your mindset, you understand that there is my book also about it, that if you change your mindset you can achieve anything. So you have to be master your mindset, because if you become the master your mindset you can achieve anything, because your mindset going to approach the things on behalf of your thought. If you have positive thought on positive beliefs, you are just going to do everything on the basis of the positivity. But on that behalf, if you have negative beliefs, your thoughts, your behavior going to do the things that are negative. And these are the simple things. You imagine in one scenario, a boy is there and he's feeling so much scared about anything, and his mindset is truly saying that if you should not go there because there is something that will face the you will going to face the danger. That particular boy is never going to go that place, because the reason is here, because he feel scared about in his mindset. So our mindset toward anything about our positivity, our negativity, anything, our mindset determine what we want to achieve and how we are going to achieve that particular. So you have to focus to master your mindset. Whatever you, if you think to do anything, you have to be master about that. So first of all, you focus on being the doing the mastery and being the master for your mindset. And always remember that your mindset is your asset, your mindset is your belief and everything. So master your mindset. Second is that make businesses. Getting rich is not like a one day process. You have to create the businesses to be getting rich every day, because if you are creating the businesses, so the main motto is here, if you create the businesses you are creating the wealth. Now if you think about this perspective and this physiology, most of the rich people and wealthy people in this whole planet, they all have a true businesses. And the traditional businesses, just talking about in the transportation system, in the food industry, in the manufacturing, in the uh, education, so in the healthcare sector. So this is the reason why you have to focus on creating the as much as business as possible. So the second important thing you have, that is building the businesses, create the businesses. Every time you have a minimum of the 15 different businesses. If you really want to independent, financially independent, and you want to achieve whatever you think, you want to go somewhere, you want to do something, you have to get that particular thing on behalf of the independence and thinking about that I can do everything. Now you have to multiple businesses, because you want to truly, you want to have the things that you want to independent, you want to be financial freedom. So you have to create the businesses. Third point is that bad times. We all have the bad times. Sometime is good, sometime is bad. Now you focus on your bad time, because bad time will create you better every day. So if you have the bad time, you have just a good observation about the bad time. And this is the reason why you have to put all of the things particular. That's if you are having the bad time, more stress, more anxiety, more depression, at that particular time you have to focus more at to grow and every day. So fourth point is understand the system. Now I talk about this particular thing, that if you want to really want to become more rich and more wealthy, want to get rich, you have to trust the system and process, not the outcome and result. You're not going to get everything in one day, so you have to trust your system. So whatever you're doing, I mean whatever you're running your business, becoming the independent, fearless, limitless, you're just doing that particular thing. Be the things on behalf of that I am capable to do everything, and just like I am having the trust on the system, I am just having the trust on the process. So fifth point is smile at the risk. So when you have trouble, when you have losses, at that time smile, because no one is going to look you, no one is going to help you when you are sad. When people understand that you don't have any options now, you cannot help them, at that time, that as a reverse physiology says that at that time they are also not going to help you. So this is the meaning, that you have to show them smile, that you are happy, you are you have rich, and you have all the resources that are going to help them, not you. So if they think that you are big, they are not going to be with you, they are never try to do the business with you. So this is the reason you have to keep smile always. So follow these five tips if you want to really want to get the rich, and this is the reverse physiology to how to getting rich. You can also read my books on the money, on the being rich, on the wealth and other things. Search Arvind Upadhyay Books. Get it from Amazon, Flipkart and other website. Check out our official website, and you can support us by following and sharing these videos to your friends and everyone.